Hello guys, this is Brian back with a Singularity Net Agix token update, and I want to show you some super bullish stuff going on here. The whole market, a lot of coins are doing the same exact thing. You know, we talked about this thing possibly pulling back to this trend line. We talked about it the other day. You know, if you go back a couple videos ago, we said this thing could pull back to this trend line and consolidate. And that's exactly what it's done over the last couple days. So I'm going to dig into this deeper and show you why I expect a pop coming soon. Right now we are down 7.38% as I make this video at 0.44447 cents. Okay, that we had a high of 48.5 cents for the day. So I'm going to show you some stuff here. Got a really great article for you first. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here. Going to do that 100 ADA giveaway next week, and it's going to be given away to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do to enter is hit the subscribe button. You know, Cardano ADA went to $3 last bull run. Not saying it'll do that again. Who knows? Might go to $10, but 300 of them. You know, I'm giving that away to you guys out of my own Cardano, and just as a thank you, because I appreciate you guys so much. I really do. Wouldn't even be doing this anymore if I wouldn't have got so much positiveness out of you guys. It takes a lot of time to sit down and do these things every day. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. Let's get into it. Singularity Net experiences this move with $50 million token transaction. It says here Singularity Net saw a 100 million token transaction, the largest on the network in 14 months. The AGIX token has been experiencing a steady rise in price with an increase in nearly 6% over the past 3 days. Singularity Net recently experienced a significant move that had been absent for more than a year. Given the recent surge in the price, could a move like this have an even more significant influence on the asset? It says Singularity Net with multiple transactions. The data from Sentiment indicated that on March 22nd, 100 million AGIX token transactions were processed. One of the most prominent known exchange addresses sent almost a fourth of all AGIX to another address in the transaction. The transaction was the largest on the network in 14 months, valued at nearly $50 million. Jeez, wouldn't it be great to be that person? Singularity Net is an open source platform that aims to launch a worldwide marketplace for AI services. The blockchain technology that the platform is based on makes it possible for AI agents and users to trade information and services in an open and trustable manner. The AGIX token, the system's native crypto, can be used for various purposes. And it says here, according to data from CoinMarketCap, there was currently 1.2 billion AGIX in circulation with a maximum supply of 2 billion. The market cap had declined by 1% the last 24 hours. Then it goes through AGIX on a daily time frame. But how about that move? Holy cow. Over the previous 2 days, its price had risen steadily, increasing by nearly 6%. As of this rating, it was trading at 48 cents. With an upward trend, that was our high for today. So the RSI for AGIX was above the 50 line, indicating that the overall trend was bullish. Absolutely. And I'm going to show you that here in a second. This chart looks really good. It really does. Here's your top 100. We've got AGIX down right there, 7.5%. Stacks is down 8%. That's another one that's setting up for a nice move. Flare Network's on here. I haven't seen that for a long time since the airdrop. And we were talking about that Arbitrum the other day, why it was down 90%. I dug into that. It was an airdrop. Most of the time, you know, people get these free airdrops, and me included. I did it with Flare Network when I got it, but with Arbitrum, everybody ran to hit the sell button first. You know, it's like as soon as you get it, you know, it's a race to see who can sell it first, and it just tanked the price on it. So the market cap is pretty much flat. Volume is down 22%. Bitcoin dominance is dropping 0.45%, you know, almost 0.5% today. So the fear and greed indicator is at a 64 in the greed. Here's your biggest gainers and losers. Flare Network right there at the top. Good to see. I'm glad they're bouncing back there. It's been a little bit of a rough ride for that token there. Good to see that happening. I don't know, you know, they're tied in with XRP there. The Flare launched on the XRP chain, so that's what that is. But can down here is your most visited coins and your recently added. I just mentioned that. I wish they would make it a little harder. You see new cryptos come out. Geez, it feels like every minute another one pops, especially during a bull market. Wait till you, if you haven't experienced it, wait till you see all the coins popping up then. It's like whack-a-mole. And you have your hidden gems in there. You really do, but you have so much, forgive me for saying it, so much garbage too that I wish it was harder for people to create a cryptocurrency. I really do, because there's so much great stuff out there. That's where maybe some guidance on this market would help. So let's get into this chart, guys. I'm sorry for rambling on there, but you can see this thing. First of all, I want to show you something down at the bottom. Look at that 12-hour RSI. It is reset. That's what you want to see for a move up. The 12-hour, the 8-hour is just about there. The 4-hour is at the bottom, and the 1-hour is at the bottom. So I'm expecting to move out of this thing real soon, okay? We talked about this bouncing back to that trend line. Let's put a Fibonacci on this thing and see exactly how far it's pulled back. The swing low to the swing high. Right on the 618, the golden pocket. Geez, that couldn't have been any more perfect. And we did talk about that a few days ago. I'm sorry, I forgot about that. We put a fib on it and talked about how that would be a perfect spot. Meeting up with the trend line, the 618, the golden ratio. They call it the golden ratio because that is a very popular place for a coin to bounce. So the 702 also. But yeah, we talked about how we could see it coming back to the trend line, the 618, the golden ratio, and bouncing from there. So things are looking fantastic here for this thing. I still am waiting to see how this pattern forms out, to see if this is a 5-wave here. Let me show you what I'm talking about here, in case you forgot. But I'm wondering, be up there, a 4, and then a big 5 coming out of here. Which could, who knows where it could go. I really, I'm shooting for the next targets up in the 70 to 80 cent range. Out of the, I believe this move here will bust us up that way. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't listen to me when it comes to financial advice. Do your own research and find somebody that is appropriate for guiding you in that direction. But me personally, I'm looking for a move up here out of this thing. I believe we'll hit and bounce off this 618, 702 area. Somewhere in here, we have so much support through this area right here. If let me show you. Look at all. This is nothing but support through here for this thing. I mean, in my opinion, there is no way it's busting down through here unless we have a massive black swan event in this market. All I see is an upward trend for this thing. We've had great volume coming in. Look at all this volume through here. Everything looks great with this coin, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. I think tomorrow is going to be a really exciting day for the crypto market. I really do. I'm not going to put myself out there and just say that. I really do think tomorrow is going to be an awesome day, so I'll check back with you guys then. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please have a fantastic night, guys, and thank you so very much for taking your time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it.